It's part of what I call the NFL player starter kit. This is early 2000s, keep in mind. Cadillac Escalade. 20-inch rims. Fake chain, fake watch. A lot of sweatsuits. It's the starter kit right there. You remember that like Pimp My Ride era? I was in the middle of that. So I was pulling up with my Escalade thinking I'm doing big things. I got like a couple TVs and a headrest. I'm like, I'm a rookie. I'm like, man, life is good. I park my car, I get out, I walk past Dante Culpepper's car. He got TVs, he got system in the back, he got a PlayStation. Walk past another guy's car, he got a Hummer, speakers everywhere, 10 TVs. He had some in the back you can't even watch. And the question I had is like, who's playing video games? Like a whole system. Your kids aren't even grown. So we know they're not playing it. So literally you got this for you and your boys. And how many places are you going where it's gonna take enough time for you to put the game in, turn it on, load up the screen, pick 2 teams, play a game of Madden, and then get to your destination? The answer is none. Early 2000s was crazy.